Pretty, kind, humble, God-fearing, smart, talented, loving, and caring woman, the one and only Angela Mood.
Parang hihiwalayan ko na asawa ko dahil sa'yo.
Ito naman niya talaga sa vlog sa akin.
Nakangiti eh.
Hi guys! I'm Robin Angeles.
And Angela Muji, and choose the compliment battle with Rabjal. Bawal pumite.
Yes, bawal pumibok.
Bawal kulibin.
Sino? Bawal na lang ako babasahin ko. Ang bango. Parang manigla mo magabi. So,
Ako naman. Napaka-genuine ng tao ito. Kaya maraming nagmamahal sa iyo, Rab. Deserve mo lahat ng meron.
why you so pretty without makeup? Ate Angela Muji, you're so beautiful. I'm a big fan of you.
This is what you call star power. Rabin Angeles continues to prove that he belongs on bigger stages and global platforms. Every shot speaks confidence, growth, and passion for what he does. We are the proudest. Nakangiti eh.
Yeah, nice. Angela Muji voice is so amazing, so angelic. She should sing more such a perfection. Ano? She has in her voice, it can heal so many people.
Habibi? More like hababy. Peace. Kahit emoji.
Wala akong masabi, apakaganda mo talaga, baby Angela namin. You're really a definition of true beauty. Peace.
Every time na nagbabago ang hairstyle mo, iba din ang itsura ng character mo. I like it. I like it. I love you.
Queen behavior always. Angela Muji continues to captivate hearts with her elegance and charm. Every look, every pose is effortless yet powerful. We are beyond proud of everything you're achieving. Keep shining and reaching your dreams.
Parang hihiwalayan ko na asawa ko dahil sa'yo.
Pretty, kind, humble, God-fearing, smart, talented, loving, and caring woman, the one and only Angela Muji.
Korean boy namin sa Pampanga.
Hi Angela, I just found your Instagram. I saw you at Floatsam, and grabe, you look so beautiful. I didn't know you were an actress, pero you seem really humble and nice. I don't know if mababasa mo to or not, pero I just want to say you're really beautiful. First time ko makakita ng artist na sobrang humble and lovely in person. Sobrang ganda naman niya talaga sa Floatsam. Keep this.
Rabin Angeles, the most handsome man in the Philippines.
See? Also, Robin Nation. Angela Muji, you're seriously so gorgeous. You deserve to be Miss Philippines after seeing you. I realize how much pure, gorgeous, perfectly goddess body you are. I love you so much. Fire emoji, tsaka heart.
Rabin is Rabin. He is blunt, he's honest, and he's not scared to admit his mistakes and own up to them. He can show vulnerability, and that's what I admire about him.
Sarap pisilin ng pisngi ni Jella.
You're beautiful, Rabin. You're a very charming little boy. Kisses from your fan in Brazil.
Angela's personality is so pure. She's full of wisdom every time she speaks. She's a good daughter indeed, even though she always say she's not. We love you, Jella. Kahit late ka. Ay, kinilig siya! Oo.
Sorry,
Oh.
wait lang. It's
Yo, wala, talo na siya!
Wait lang!
Wala, talo ka na!
So, natawa lang ako dun sa pagkasabi. Next. It's been 10 years since we broke up. Sabi mo, after natin maghiwalay, baka hindi mo kayanin kapag wala ako. But look at you now. Unti-unti mo nang naaabot mga pangarap mo. Congrats, bro.
Nanalo ako guys! Tumama siya doon sa huli. Paano ba yan? At ayun po ang aming Compliment Battle Challenge. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumuporta sa aming anthology. Continue streaming
Viva One Originals Rabjal only on
Viva One!
For more contents like this, follow and subscribe to
BAA YouTube channel and all social media platforms.